So the Teen Tech Center is a place for youth throughout all of San Antonio to come experience new technology, to become well equipped, to help them succeed also in the future. It's definitely a new innovative space for youth to come and get creative and have fun. I got a handful, maybe 5 to 6 youth from Edgewood ISD, which is where the school district where the building is located. And my youth came and they swayed a board of presidents and CEOs from Intel and Best Buy, and showed that they're a big part of this community and they're the reason why a facility like this place is going to strive and going to be successful and be used. It's a high poverty community, so youth aren't going to have computers at their house to use on their own. They're not going to have cameras to use on their own. They may not have even heard of, other than in school, some of the programs that they have here. They're not going to have this opportunity anywhere else. So for them to be able to be equipped with a computer lab that has all these programs, internet access, be a part of the Intel clubhouse, community clubhouse, and be able to speak and share ideas and thrive in a community where people otherwise would think less of it.